How all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
What's good, my Supreme team? It's your girl Adriana and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a hair review video, and just to point out from now, no, I am not partnered with this hair company. This hair company is not sponsored by me. I just wanted to show you guys like the different types of hairs I have been ordering online, and if you like them, then go purchase them. Be fleeked out like me. Okay. So you know, because you know it's getting hot. It's getting hot, girl, and you need some nice fresh bundles in your hair. Take that little raggedy ass bundles that you had in the rest of the winter, take that on out your hair because it's time for a refresher. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Tinashe hair from AliExpress, and I have the Brazilian loose body wave bundles. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. Okay, so I brought a 16-inch closure. Now I have 4 bundles here and a closure. So I got a 16-inch closure, and I got a 18, a 20, and 2 22s. Now basically, now I'm making this into a wig, so therefore I need like 4 bundles because I don't feel like 3 bundles to be able to cover a whole wig if you want the wig to be looking full. So that's my preference. Other people may want to use, you know, 3 bundles or whatever, but I like my hair to look full. Basically outside of the packaging, this is how it looks outside of the packaging. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you. Focus. And this tag basically says that it's 100% real human virgin hair, and basically on the tag it says that you could dye this hair, you could bleach it, and you could also perm it if you would like. Now basically, look how bouncy this is. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. You see how bouncy this is? Like, what? Look, I'm about to be bouncing and walking and bouncing and walking and bouncing and walking. But basically, like, I love this. Like, and like I'm running my fingers through it and it's so soft, and I never felt hair like that was like really soft coming out straight out the packaging. So I'm really excited to make this into a wig and put it on my head. But this is about to be looking bomb. Like, oh my god, I can't wait. Like, I love it. So I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to put it on. Of course, you know, I'm gonna come back to you guys once I have the wig made, because I don't make wigs myself. My friend is making a wig, and I will so I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys like how I made it, how she made it into a wig, and how it looks, and you know, all that. You know, I got y'all. You know. And basically for the closure that I got is basically, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's basically the 3-part closure. So that is very helpful. So that basically means that like you could part it in the middle, you could part it on the side, or you could part it on this side. So basically you could part it in the middle, left or right. So I'm really excited about that because I personally go for side parts, but sometimes I also do go for a middle part. Now the thing about that website, about Tinashe hair, is that you can choose which type of closure you want. So you got the free part, you got the middle part, and then you got the 3-part. So that's all up to you, and you know, you just pick your lengths. And basically that was the 4 bundle and a closure sale, and it's really cheap. Like, I only paid like what, 140. I only paid like what, 130. Like, that's really good for those amount of bundles and that length. Like, come on, you guys can't beat it. Like, y'all need to go ahead and get y'all some of this hair. Go ahead, because this hair gonna hook you up. They're nice and affordable. They're not expensive. They're not like outrageously priced. Like, they're at a good, reasonable price. So that's why I feel like this is a good hair company. So you know, go ahead, get your bundles, girls. And also I'm going to link the link to the site, and I'm also going to link the link to this exact bundle deal. So you guys, if you want to get this bundle with these lengths, you're more than welcome to. I didn't show you guys, like, it'll be like right here. This is the 22, so it'll be like right here. Well, let me bring it down some. Yeah, it'll be like right here, and then to the back it will be like down my back right there. So these lengths are pretty long. They're pretty like true to length. So that's the good part about this hair. The only thing that I have to say that is kind of offish about this hair is that you know how when you first get fresh hair, it's like when you first get it has that bundle smell. So but that's an easy fix, because all you have to do is just wash it and then you'll be fine. You'll be smelling like a bag of roses, a bag of money, you know. a bag of okra. Okay, so that's my only concern about this hair, is that it does have a slight smell to it, but it's not like a factory smell or a dirty smell. It's just like a regular bundle smell, you know, when your hair is being packaged in a package, you know. But that's a simple and easy fix, because all I have to do is just wash it and then it'll be smelling nice and fresh. So it's not like a permanent smell that you have with bundles. If you guys ever thought that bundles are supposed to smell the way that they smell, no, you could simply just wash them with your own shampoo and your own conditioner and you'll be just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on this, and I'm also gonna do, like, you know, maybe like a 3-month review, like after I've been wearing it for like 3 months, or after I've been wearing it for like a month or so. Because, you know, I want you guys to make sure that y'all wearing a good hair. I don't want y'all guys be out here looking foolish, to be out here looking stupid, okay? So this is why I want to make sure that, this is why I want to put you guys on to the hairs that I be wearing, okay? Okay. But that sums up everything that I have to say in this video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, I'm still holding this bundle. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. That is also my Instagram, and my Snapchat name is China with a Y Style, and my Facebook is Adriana Thorpe. I'm basically gonna keep doing these at the end of my videos, because I really want you guys to keep in touch with me on my social media, because there might be days where I'm not on YouTube and you guys don't know, and you guys won't be in the dirt and not knowing anything. So if any announcements that I have to make, sometimes I won't post it on YouTube. Most of the times I will post it on my Instagram. So just stay tuned for that. So make sure you catch up with me on all my social medias. And also, if you're new or returning and have not already hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, you might as well turn on that post notification button, because it's right next to the subscribe button, so you can know when I post, because I post every week for three times a week. Alright, that's pretty much all I have to say. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Did you guys go yet? Did you go to Tinashe here on AliExpress and get your bundles? Well, what you waiting on? Go get your bundles, girl. Go get your bundles, girl.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright.